you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about these two body lotion. This one is visible even tone effect. This one is fairness and nourishment. So if today is your first time seeing my channel, thank you for stopping by. To my return subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. God bless you. This visible even tone effect is a good body lotion. I have used it before, but I've not used this one before. I've personally used this one before. This one is for skin maintenance. If you use this one, it's going to make your skin to look like sun. And the brightness is too much, except you're going to find something that will just dim your skin small as a fair person. But I think the person that should go for this cream is somebody that has a brown skin or a chocolate, deep chocolate skin. There's different from light chocolate, deep chocolate, and dark chocolate. You understand? So if you want to brighten your skin a little, you should try this visible even tone effect. Contain B3 vitamin. It helps to repair damaged skin, whitening and even skin texture. So this one is going to help to brighten the skin and even the skin texture, like lighten the skin texture a little. And this body lotion helps to moisturize and nourish the skin. It's not going to make your skin to have any wrinkle. If you're looking for a good body lotion that will maintain your skin, this is the body lotion you're going to look for, you're going to use. If you're a chocolate skin person and you want to maintain that your chocolate skin, this is the body lotion that you should go for. That's why you need to be watching videos online, so that you get to learn even before you go to the market, so that you not go and buy the one that is not good. Now if you go to shopping mall and they will try to convince you, they will try to tell you use is good, and you buy it at the end, end up regretting. Watch videos and learn so that you know the ones to go for. Me, I'm not just making videos because other people are making videos. I'm talking out of experience, and I'm selling body lotion. You can see there are even many. See, there are many here. You get? I'm selling body lotions. So this one now is for a chocolate skin person or a fair skin person just want to tone his or her skin a little. So this one is a fairness nourishment for all skin types. You are fair, somebody that is already fair, I have a dry skin, somebody that have a dry skin and the person is fair, or even dark person should use this body lotion. It's not a selective body lotion. If you are fair, it's going to maintain your skin and keep it on that fairness. If you are dark, it's going to maintain and brighten and glow that your dark skin. If you are chocolate, it's going to maintain and glow that your chocolate skin. This one is an effective body lotion if you want to maintain your skin. This is an effective skin maintenance body lotion. You understand? It's a natural glow and radiant enhancement. It illuminates the skin. It contains ceramide. Ceramide is known for skin maintenance and skin brightening. It's also known to maintain and restore dead skin cells. So this two body lotion is a skin maintenance body lotion. Skin maintenance for extreme, for fair or chocolate person that want to maintain the skin, for all skin type. This one is for all skin type. A fair person or a dark person that want to maintain his or her skin at his own point should use this one. A fair person or a dark person that want to tone his skin a little should also use this one. A fair person or a chocolate person that want to tone or maintain his skin a little should be the one to go for this one. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. God bless you.